طيب دلوقتي زي ما احنا شايفين we have numbers from 0 to 10. Let's use them. تعالوا نستخدمهم to write fractions with denominators of 10. يعني let's try to say the numbers. أنا هكتب النمبرز وانتوا تقولوها معايا. Okay? Now here I have 0 over 10. And let's write with another color. 1 over 10, 2 over 10, 3 over 10, 4 over 10, 5 over 10. Here is 6 over 10, 7 over 10, 8 over 10, 9 over 10, and 10 over 10. Okay, now from our knowledge of fractions, احنا عارفين ان 0 over 10 هي نفسها equals a to 0, right? 0 over 10 equals to 0. And what about the fraction 10 over 10? Exactly 10 over 10 يعني equals to 1. I write here 1. Okay. Now we will count again but المرة دي هكتبهم as decimals. Okay. تعالوا كده نكتبهم مع بعض. Okay. So here I have 0 and 10 tenths, 0.1, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths, 5 tenths, 6 tenths, 7 tenths, 8 tenths, and 9 tenths. Then the last one, 10 tenths, which is equal to 1. Now if you want to compare the fractions and decimals in front of us, هنلاقي إيه؟ هنلاقي that they are equal to each other, right? For example, 1 over 10 is equal to what? 1 over 10 equals to 1 tenth. Okay, and what about 5 over 10? 5 over 10 equals to 5 tenths. Okay, so the fractions equal to the decimal. So we reach one that is equal to 10 over 10. Before we had to build, does anyone remember? في حد فيكم فاكر how is the target of today's lesson different, مختلف عن target of the previous one? في previous lesson our focus كنا مركزين على writing fractions and decimals equivalent to the hundredths place. But this time we are building our knowledge and comparing the decimals and fractions which have 10 or 100 as the denominator. كمان هنتعلم أكتر about this in the activity comparing different forms. تعالوا كده نشوفها مع بعض. Okay. Here in this activity, as you see, here we want to compare different forms of fractions using the symbol greater than, smaller than, or equal. And now I'll give you enough time to think about problems number 1 and 2, and then we will discuss the solution all together. Now after you have finished, أنا متأكدة إن أنتوا كلكم you used your past knowledge just like mathematicians do to compare the fractions. Let's solve the problems all together. Here in problem number 1, we are comparing 24 over 106 tenths. طيب عشان أقدر أعمل comparing in a very easy way، أهم حاجة أكتب النمبرز in the same form. يا إما هكتبهم in fraction form أو هكتبهم in decimal form as you wish. طيب دلوقتي أنا هختار to write both in decimal form. يبقى هكتب 24 over 100 as decimal form هتبقى 0.24 أو 24 hundredths. Okay? Then what should I do? I will write them under each other. يبقى هكتب 0.24 وتحتها على طول 0.6. لازم البوينت تبقى under البوينت، الوانس under the ones، tenth under the tenth. Okay. طيب as you can see there are no whole numbers. 0, 2 whole numbers are 0. يبقى هبدأ to compare between the tenths place. أول decimal عندي 2 tenths. The second one I have 6 tenths. So which is bigger? أنا متأكدة إن أنتوا كلكم دلوقتي بتقولوا إن 6 tenths is greater than 2 tenths. ده معناه إن 24 hundredths greater than 6 tenths أو 24 over 100 أكبر من 6 tenths. تعالوا نشوف problem number 2. Here problem number 2, I will compare 6 over 10 and 34 hundredths. زي ما شرحنا بالظبط. I will write the two fractions under each other. أو first I will write them in the same form. هكتب 6 over 10 as a decimal هتبقى 0.6, right? And then I will put them under each other. يبقى هكتب 0.6 under each 0.34. Okay? Now, what should I do? I will compare the two whole numbers. هلاقي إن whole numbers 0. طيب يبقى I will go to the tenth. Here I have 6 tenths and here I have 3 tenths. So, which is bigger? Sure, 6 tenths is greater than 3 tenths. ده معناه إن 6 over 10 greater than 34 hundredths. تعالوا بقى نروح لproblem number 3. Problem number 3, he needs me to make more focus. لازم نركز كويس قوي وما نتسرعش في إجابة problem number 3. We want to compare 104 hundredths and 98 tenths. طيب أنا متأكدة إن أنتوا كلكم ملاحظين إن second number written in unit form. تعالوا نكتبه in the same form. مش احنا اتفقنا إن لازم نكتبهم الاتنين the same form in standard form. طيب هكتبها إزاي؟ مش 98 tenths هي نفسها 90 plus 8. 98 يعني 90 plus 8, right? طيب مش احنا متفقين إن every one whole consists of 10 tenths؟ ده معناه إن 9 tenths equals what? Equal 9 ones. طيب يبقى 90 plus 8 equals 9 ones and 8 tenths. يعني ممكن أكتبها 9 ones and 8 tenths يعني 9.8. Right? Okay. So now you know what I said we needed. انتوا دلوقتي أكيد كلكم عرفتوا ليه أنا قلت إن احنا محتاجين نركز كويس قوي in this one. عشان ممكن حد يتسرع ويقول لي إن 1.04 أكبر من 98 tenths. عشان هنا في whole number اللي هو 1 وهنا ما عنديش whole number يعني عندي 98 tenths. لكن الكلام ده غلط. فعشان كده writing the two numbers in the same form ده بيساعدني كويس قوي عشان اختار ال right answer. طيب زي ما شرحنا قبل كده لازم نعمل ال numbers under each other. اوكي يبقى هعمل 1.04 under it 9.8. اوكي طيب so let's compare between the whole numbers. زي ما احنا شايفين كده ال first number انا عندي 1 whole والsecond number انا عندي 9 whole. ده معناه ان 98 tenths greater than 1 400ths.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.